everything.
Live.
Come on now. New radiator.
If you want a bigger, I'm gonna ask you something. How do you think you're gonna have a real big turnout? If you win, that's not gonna be.
Man, y'all hear this dude right here.
It's gonna be a real big turnout. I'll tell you, go get American Legion, bro. You better have it'll fit everybody you want to bring in over 200-300 people plus in that goddamn thing.
What a day.
Yeah, I'm saying, like, aroma for like little small private parties, but you gonna have a big turnout, like 100 people or something. You wanna go to American Legion, bro, because they gonna be small in there, bro. You get jam packing that bitch quick. Now, American Legion, and that shit 500. I do know that price already. And look, and you can sell liquor there. You can get liquor away, I know whatever, but you have to have liquor license.
We can't got it back. It's up. Bring y'all the back, man. Y'all died, man. We had to dig her back up. We had to dig y'all back up, man. Had to bring her back, yo. We couldn't let y'all go like that. Our problem with God, we couldn't let y'all go like that. Nope. We had to dig y'all back up, man. I know we said she was dead, but we had to do something different.
Oh, we still trying to drive for purpose. For print here.
Huh?
We gotta drive for print.
Oh yeah, we got drivers.
We still got drivers.
Yeah, we got
We still got drivers.
we got two drivers.
Yeah.
Well, I thought I seen that last night. I ain't said no name. I just said, all right, I got it.
Y'all looking damn dude.
Whatever, man. We're pulling it together.
Get y'all it, man.
So you know what, God, man. The boys I need called me on this footage, so God sent me over here.
Yeah, cause I don't know what the fuck happened.
God sent me over here, yo.
Show something, cause I don't know what the hell happened. Why do my little place out?
Man, we bringing Yachty back, yo. That's what we doing today, yo. I ain't need to do no intro, but I get one. I'm waiting to see these center counts. Oh yeah. I'm waiting to see them. Y'all ain't better tell bro now. Them W and the big boy.
You feel me?
I get the lights right. Give them a good wash. We had to dig y'all back up, man. That's why she dirty. Had to dig her up. Yeah, man. Had to dig y'all up. She coming back though. Y'all see what's going on. The dash still in here. Bruh still has speakers and everything in here, don't it? And I think he still got his speakers in too. Yep. Brand new tires all the way around on them. Yeah, we had to bring them back. Put them tires on. Nah, they ain't brand new, cause bro been burning these tires out. I give them about, that look like about 85%. 85% on the back. Let me see on the other side. Cause bro been doing a whole lot of burnouts. See this tire right here look burnt out too. See, I give him about a good 80, 85. He stick a ride on them. See what I'm saying? Stick at them pipe. Ooh, yeah. Bro, man, I got a whole lot of new stuff though, man. What's this right here? This right here was the radiator right here. The radiator was in this box. This box right here. The fan was in here.
My goddamn cousin like we went to down to the damn leak house down the weekend.
Dude still talking, bro.
This damn bitch done got everybody shit. Everybody shit.
Come on, man.
Man, girl done got everybody shit. I said, this was stay her ass home.
Black all the tools though. Toolbox. It's the old radiator right here. This is what I was looking for. The old parts. See where this right here? It was bent right there. That was he. I think he had a dog or something. There's a dog or something right there. See where it bent at? So that's why he had to change it out. Crack the fan all up. Crack the fan up in 2 parts. Crack the fan up bad. Look at the fan. He cracked that up bad. All the old parts. Yep. Here go dig Yachty up, man. Had to dig her up, man. Had to dig her up. She'll be back soon, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all stay tuned. We bringing Yachty back. Yachty return. That's the name of the video. Yachty return. Yep. Yachty return. I can't wait till she start up. I'm telling you, I can't wait. Motherfucker. Put your punk ass on. You say Yachty ready, brother?
Yachty back together, man.
Come on, bro.
You see her?
Come on, bro. What you do to it? Tell the people what you done.
Hey, we replaced the fan was broke. We replaced the radiator tore up. We broke the, that's all you got? Yeah. I gotta see if you got a water hose. But we broke the little U bracket that they had under there to hold everything in place. Broke that off of there because it was already hanging sides bent up.
Yeah.
We replaced that, the fan, radiator. Hey, then we just gotta replace the fluids and bro get down here.
Start up.
Put some fire to her and see what she gonna do.
Yeah.
Put a little C-clamp or something.
What's that? That's the horn right there.
That little horn.
Oh, damn.
We gotta find a spot for the little horn to go.
That's the horn.
Mm-hmm. You gonna get her in here. Watch this.
Girl might well connect a horn in the front.
See what her ass got to go.
I don't think bro into all that loud music. I think he like a whole lot of bass. He like that bass competition stuff.
Sorry. I'm gonna clamp that horn on.
Yeah.
But other than that,
Everything look together. Everything attached.
fan, old fan and shit.
Yeah, everything attached. Ain't nothing leaking.
No.
The belt still tight.
Yeah, man. Just got to fill up the fluids here. You know what I'm saying? Put a little more transmission fluid in, you know, cause you change that, change the radiator.
Okay.
Do a little bit that here, that, but other than that,
bro ready. My bro ain't need the key.
you know what I'm saying? Y'all did it together.
Yeah, he gonna take the key like he could drive the car.
I'm
Like,
ready to call him.
call him, bro.
I'm ready to call him.
Here, cap. Tell him he on Yachty return.
Tighten up, mister.
That's probably on that game.
Tighten up, mister. Tighten up, mister.
Man, why you ain't leave the key, bro? Man, why you ain't leave the key?
Tighten up, mister.
Already back together.
I'll rip my little old pen. Hey, Tighten up, mister.
Man, why that so?
Now all you gotta do is replace your fluids here. Put a little more transmission fluid in it when you know what I'm saying, but and then put some fat ass and let her run and see how she run. You feel me?
Yep.
Okay, so
and recharge your AC.
Oh, so did you ever figure it out?
Yeah, that piece that back there, I thought you didn't need to know. It's just the way it was looking.
Okay.
Yeah, the main part that you needed, it was strapped to the back of everything. So she, yeah.
So I need some antifreeze and power fluid.
Yeah, and put some 50-50 put some 50-50 antifreeze in here.
Okay.
And check your transmission fluid.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
But other than that, she all the way. Fan, radiator, hoses,
Yeah.
the whole nine. Huh? Oh yeah, I got you. You know, I'm gonna put them up before I take off. I told Nephew going to bring print to the crib so I can cut it up and goddamn get it up.
Hey, yo, tell the boys meet at your house, yo.
Tell Kimo I need did he talk to Tion? Cause I need that drone so we can lift prints up. I need that mouth.
Okay.
I gotta do mine on my left side, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Look who's back home. We had to go dig her up. And she cute. Look who's back home. Blue Yachty's back home, baby. Yes, sir. We had to bring Blue Yachty back home. Had to bring her back. I see her. He's back. Back and going. We dug up this morning. We dug y'all up this morning. Yep.